alaikum, dear all students of class 5. This is your teacher, Miss Daniel, and I hope you all will be fine and safe at your homes. Students, as you all know, in our previous session we have done present simple. Present simple, affirmative, interrogative and negative. Now, in this session, I am going to give you an explanation about past simple. First, I will give you an explanation about past simple. Then we will move towards past simple, affirmative, past simple, interrogative and past simple negative. First, I will tell you the identification of the past simple tense, that how you could identify that which sentence you are reading. आइडेंटिफिकेशन कहते हैं पहचान को। जैसे कि हमारी इधर पास्ट सिंपल की जो पहचान है जुमलों की, वो है था, थी और थे। मतलब कि पास्ट सिंपल के जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं वो ख़त्म हो रहे होते हैं, उनके जुमलों के आखिर में आ रहा होता है था, थी और थे। जैसे कि अली स्कूल गया था, वो वक्त पर आई थी, वो बाग में खेला था। पास्ट सिंपल हमारे तमाम वो एक्शंस होते हैं जो कि पास्ट में हो चुके होते हैं, जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुका होता है, जो काम डन हो चुका होता है। गुजरे हुए ज़माने को, गुजरा हुआ ज़माना जो काम हो चुका होता है वो हमारा कहलाता है पास्ट सिंपल। जो काम आप लोग यूजुअली कर चुके होते हैं वो कहलाता है पास्ट सिंपल। सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारी पास्ट सिंपल की जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन है वो है था, थी और थे। जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारी एग्जाम्पल्स बताई। अली स्कूल गया था, हम बाग में खेले थे, अब्बू ऑफिस गए थे, अम्मी ने खाना पकाया था। ये तमाम काम वो काम है, वो तमाम एक्शंस हैं जो कि पास्ट में गुजरे हुए वक्त में हो चुके होते हैं, वो हमारा कहलाता है पास्ट सिंपल। आप इनके सेंटेंसेस की पहचान जो है वो किस तरह कर सकते हैं कि इसके सेंटेंसेस जो हैं वो ख़त्म हो रहे होते हैं था, थी और थे पे, और वो ये जाहिर कर रहे होते हैं कि वो काम हो चुका है पास्ट में, गुजरे हुए वक्त में वो काम, वो एक्शन कंप्लीट, जो एक्शन डन हो चुका होता है वो कहलाता है हमारा पास्ट सिंपल। Now students, I am moving towards the structure of affirmative. Here you can see past simple affirmative structure. For making affirmative sentences, we would use this structure, and the structure is subject plus second form of verb plus object. It is a very simple structure, and the structure of the past simple affirmative sentences is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Now students, here you all can see an example of past simple affirmative structure in which Ali went to school. Here subject Ali, second form of verb is went and object is to school. Ali school gaya tha, Ali went to school. Here you can see it is showing the past time in which Ali went to school, and we have used second form of verb here, and you all will remember this, that we always use second form of verb in past simple affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences of past simple, we use second form of verb, and the structure you can see here, subject plus second form of verb plus object. And an example, Ali went to school. Now students, here you can see I am moving towards the negative structure of past simple. As you all know, in negative sentences we usually use not. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वो होते हैं जिसमें किसी भी बात का इनकार हो रहा होता है, किसी भी बात को मनफी तौर पर जाहिर किया जा रहा होता है, वो कहलाता है हमारा नेगेटिव। And you all can see here the negative structure of past simple, in which subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb plus object. In past simple, we use did in negative and interrogative sentences. Now students, here you all can see an example of negative structure. Subject Ali did not go to school. Ali school नहीं गया था. Ali did not go to school. Here we used first form of verb go, and in the past simple affirmatives we use second form of verb, but in the negative structure, negative and interrogative structure, we use first form of verb in past simple. And here we have used Ali did not go to school. Ali भी एक्शन के बारे में सवाल कर रहे होते हैं. एक तरीके से ये हमारे सवालिया जुमले होते हैं. इंट्रोगेटिव. सो द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पास्ट सिंपल इंट्रोगेटिव इज did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object plus question mark. In the last of these sentences, we put question mark, and the structure is did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object plus question mark, and we use first form of verb in the past simple interrogative sentences. Now students, here you all can see an example of interrogative structure of past simple. Did Ali go to school? क्या अली स्कूल गया था? Did Ali go to school? क्या अली स्कूल गया था? We put did in the first, and then we put our subject, then we put our first form of verb, then we put our object, and in the last we put question mark. क्या अली स्कूल गया था? It is an question asking sentence, an interrogative sentence. Did Ali go to school? Now students, here you all can see the complete structure of past simple affirmative, past simple interrogative, and past simple negative. In past simple affirmative, we have a structure like subject plus second form of verb plus object. We will consider this structure in making past simple affirmative subject plus second form of verb plus object. Now past simple interrogative. In past simple interrogative, we have a structure like did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object plus question mark, and we will consider this structure in making past simple interrogative sentences. Now negative, past simple negative. Subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb plus object. In past simple, we use this structure of negative like subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb plus object. This is the complete structure of past simple affirmative, past simple interrogative, and past simple negative sentences. Now students, I am moving towards an exercise of this past simple affirmative, negative, and interrogative, and the number one is Ahmad बाजार गया. We will make affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Affirmative, Ahmad went to market. Ahmad बाजार गया. Ahmad went to market. Now negative, Ahmad, as you all know, we use did. Ahmad did not go to market. Now interrogative, did Ahmad go to market? क्या अहमद बाजार गया? and question mark. Ahmad bazaar gaya and we have made affirmative Ahmad went to market, negative Ahmad did not go to market, and interrogative did Ahmad go to market question mark. Now students, number 2, हम स्कूल गए. Now the affirmative we went, second form of go is went. We went to school. हम स्कूल गए. Now negative we did not go to school. हम स्कूल नहीं गए थे. Now interrogative did we go to school. क्या हम स्कूल गए थे? क्या हम स्कूल गए? Did we go to school? So students, number 2 is हम स्कूल गए and the affirmative is we went to school. Now the negative we did not go to school and interrogative is did we go to school question mark. Now the number 3, उसने खाना बनाया. उसने खाना बनाया, ये एक्शन जो है वो पास्ट में डन हो गया है. तो she cooked food. उसने खाना बनाया. Negative she did not cook food. उसने खाना नहीं बनाया. Now interrogative did she cook food. क्या उसने खाना बनाया? And question mark. So students, उसने खाना बनाया and the affirmative is she cooked food. Negative she did not cook food and the interrogative is did she cook food question mark. Now students, number 4, वो कल यहाँ आए. जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं ये काम पास्ट में डन हो चुका है. वो कल यहाँ आए. They came, second form of come is came. They came here yesterday. वो कल यहाँ आए. Now negative they did not come here yesterday. वो कल यहाँ नहीं आए. Now interrogative did they come here yesterday. क्या वो कल यहाँ आए? Question mark. It is an interrogative sentence and we are asking क्या वो कल यहाँ आए? So students, number 4 is वो कल यहाँ आए and the affirmative is they came here yesterday. Now the negative they did not come here yesterday. In negative and interrogative we use first form. That's why we use here come. They did not come here yesterday and the interrogative did they come here yesterday question mark. Now students, number 5, Ali ने क्रिकेट खेला. Affirmative Ali played cricket. We use here second form. Ali played cricket. Now negative Ali did not play cricket. Ali ने क्रिकेट नहीं खेला. Now, interrogative, did Ali play cricket? क्या अली ने क्रिकेट खेला? Question mark. So, student number 5 is Ali ने cricket खेला, in which we have made affirmative Ali played cricket. Now the negative, Ali did not play cricket. Ali ने cricket नहीं खेला. Now interrogative, we have made did Ali play cricket? Question mark. क्या Ali ने cricket खेला? So students, I hope you all have understood past simple, affirmative, interrogative and negative. Here the time of the today's session has been ended. Till then, Allah Hafiz.